Big changes could be coming to Kent County's justice system.
The county is moving to cut its contract with the Office of the Defender, a longtime organization providing attorneys to people who can't afford them. Instead, the county would launch its own public defender's department.
News 8's Byron Tollefson has the story that you'll only see on 8.
Brian and Sue, the county says it's trying to create something new that it says will provide better representation to those who can't afford an attorney. But the group that would be replaced says things would only get worse. Laura Joyce says her staff was distraught when county leaders showed up late Monday afternoon to say the public defender's office could be disbanded.
Being shocked and saddened, I think, is maybe to put it lightly. A lot of emotions were in the room. Again, we are a community staple.
The Kent County Office of the Defender has been around for 50 years. It's a team of attorneys and legal workers who represent people charged with felonies who can't afford a lawyer.
They have done work that has gotten cases dismissed. Our mitigation specialists have saved people from prison. I mean, and our attorneys have done all of that and more.
They need to prove that. The office handles half of those felony cases right now in Kent County and all of those misdemeanor cases in 5 courts. It's nearly 30 lawyers are not Kent County employees. Instead, the county intends to create a new public defender's office that would be directly part of the county.
And how important we know that it is to be autonomous from the government so we can tell our clients that we don't work for the same county that prosecutes you and jails you. We work for you, and that's a vital thing that we need to be able to say to them, and they're going to take that away from us.
As a private nonprofit, it operates through a contract with the county, which is funded by a state grant, plus another contract with the courts. The group's deputy director, Laura Joyce, says the change would mean the agency would lose all of its contracts, effectively shutting it down.
Talk to our clients, talk to us, come see the work that we do, and see if you think that the county can do it better, because I guarantee you they cannot.
Kent County Administrator Al Vanderberg, who said he wasn't available Tuesday for an on-camera interview, says the change comes down to standards established by the Michigan Indigent Defense Commission in 2018, a group tasked with making sure that public defender services follow state and federal requirements. Vanderberg said the county commissioned an outside study which outlined concerns over the office's performance. The report recommended what Vanderberg is now proposing to the county board, the county creating its own public defender's office. Vanderberg says with more staff, it will provide more representation than before and save the county money, saying it's cheaper to do this in-house than pay outside attorneys on an hourly basis.
The county asked us to grow exponentially in a very short amount of time.
Joyce says the county told them to expand in 2021, going from 17 staff to nearly 50 employees in just a few years. She recognizes that there have been issues, but says her staff has been dedicated to fixing them.
We didn't get the report till yesterday, so it was all things that we were already working on, and all of those issues are issues that have been or are being addressed.
Joyce says the nonprofit's employees were told they would have to apply and interview to work in the new office, but the county could not promise them a new job.
They are hardworking, they love their clients, they fight very hard and very well, and we have great successes.
Vanderberg says a roster of private contracted attorneys would still be in place for situations where there's a conflict of interest. He says 30 other counties in Michigan have this kind of model. Vanderberg plans on proposing this change to the Board of Commissioners sometime late next month.